Later.
I'm actually sad.
Yeah, me too.
That thing rips. Not the Jimny. I'm gutted. This sucks.
Well,
What is life?
the Suzuki's gone and I don't have a car.
Yet. Here comes Facebook Marketplace.
Well, see you in the next project.
I could be lying and tell you you're fine.
I can't take you seriously.
Welcome back to another episode of Duke Mods. It's been a while. It's been probably a few months. We do apologise. I've been studying mechanical engineering.
I've been welding stuff together.
Yeah, Luke's been
Little bit
working,
busy.
making money.
Trying to.
Trying
to get the next project.
Yes.
Which
Speaking of,
We won't disclose the next big project, but
what's the next big project? I can cut it out.
okay. You just bleep it.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. The next big project is the. Next big project is the. I'll put like a sensor over my mouth
A
as well.
dose or something
Yeah.
like that. So, but our project in the meantime to prepare for the next big project, because you know, sort of helps having decent equipment, is going to be a 2-ton welding table.
Yep.
So
Let's show you.
bought the plate from a guy on Facebook. That was actually a table, but it's a 40mm thick solid steel plate. Yeah, chop the legs off of it, making a frame for it because I have a slight sag in it, so I'll get the sag out of it. And it'll be a dead flat welding table. But there it is. It's quite chunky. So we worked it out to be about 1.5 ton.
1.5 ton.
Just the steel plate.
So to put this in perspective, this is a, what's the dimensions?
1750 by 27 something, 2730 or something
And
like
it's a
that.
40 millimeter
thick
steel plate.
Roughly about 1.5 tons. It's probably 1.45 or something like that.
Yeah. This ain't an exact science.
No, we're not exact scientists. So
Yeah. So basically, what's happening, Luke?
at the moment we got these big I-beams.
Yeah.
We got to clean up because got those for free. Gonna weld them. It's gonna be 100mm in from the edge. Weld a big frame underneath it, and some legs and all the other stuff. Flip it over so it's on its legs, and try and get it into the shed somehow.
Yeah. So we don't have a crane. We have a
Nope.
bobcat.
We have a bobcat and an excavator,
Yeah.
which is also a bobcat. But
Yeah. So this is the true test of brains
this.
over brawn.
We're
Next
gonna-
project after that. Keep you
I
posted.
forget what that is.
It goes.
Oh yeah, that's right. just to keep a few going to go is this old thing.
Ooh.
It's a McCulloch 380. 87 cc's. It's loud, really loud. Apparently it's a beast. I haven't really done much chopping with it, but just needs a new bar, new chain. The guy actually has the chain on backwards. So I don't know how that worked. But yeah, just I'm gonna sort of resto mod kind of thing.
Yeah. So keep
Store it.
posted for that. There's gonna be
That'll
another video in the future.
Yep, and there's plenty of other videos coming up
Yeah.
because there's always something going on here. Always. Yeah, we just gotta film more.
I can be the truth. Shut the blinds up with the light. One more night, one more night. I wanna Mr. Fool. Everyone that it's alright. One more night, one more night. Say
Sheets.
Anyway, so the I-beam, H-beam frame is...
Depends which way you put it.
It really does.
I-beam, H-beam.
Yeah. So it's all cut, ground, cleaned up.
Some corners do have a little bit of a gap, but we'll be able to fix that with the MIG welder.
Yep. Where there is a gap, we fill it in
just
with
fill it.
weld.
Just turn the Y speed up and
Yep, pretty much. And so yeah, that's
pretty much where we have a couple of hours work, was grinding, cutting, fitting.
and now
Jarvis!
we have a cat.
Joey, what's going on, mate? Yeah, buddy.
Jarvis, come here.
He's a little bit broken.
Why?
He's just, I don't know, I think he got hit by a car or something.
Oh, what?
Yeah, came home one day and he wasn't walking.
Jarvis, here.
If that makes sense.
If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. If you haven't already liked, please like this video. Check out the rest of our videos. You know, do this, do that.
Jimny's no longer with us, but anyway. Nothing.
We're moving to bigger and better things because Jimnys are small and small things are small. Thank you for coming. Thank you for watching this short little episode. Stay tuned for more fun
Cool, interesting, hopefully mods.
weldings.
Yeah, we're gonna do a lot more welding, I reckon. Especially with the new.
Yeah, especially for the new project we're having the